नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी। आज हम देखेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 14 सोशल साइंस स्टैंडर्ड 8 इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द कंटिनेंट्स अफ्रीका एंड एशिया। तो आगे के वीडियो में हमने अफ्रीका का वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन देखा। आज हम देखेंगे एशिया का वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। इज द लार्जेस्ट कंटिनेंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड विथ रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन एंड एरिया? ए, एशिया। Second, which ocean is located in the south of Asia? A, Indian Ocean. Third, which ocean is situated to the east of Asia? B, the Pacific Ocean. Fourth, which mountain of Asia is the highest mountain of the world? A, Himalaya. Fifth, which is the highest and biggest plateau of the world? तो D, Tibet. Sixth, which of the following desert is cold desert? तो C, Gobi Desert. 7, which of the following regions get the highest rainfall? तो A, Mausoleum. 8, which city experienced the hottest climate in the world? To C, Jacobabad. 9, which city experienced coldest climate in the world? To Verkhoyansk. 10, which is the longest river of Asia? To Yangtze. 11, which of the following is the largest lake of the world? To A, Caspian Sea. 12, which is the deepest lake of the world? To C, Baikal. 13, which of the following lake has the maximum salinity? To B, Dead Sea. 14, which ocean does river Lena meet? तो B, Arctic Ocean. Which ocean does river Ganga meet? तो A, Indian Ocean. 16, which of the following is an internal river? तो C, Amu Darya. 17, which sea do the rivers Amu Darya and Sri Darya meet? तो the Aral Sea. 18, which of the following is a saltwater lake? तो A, Pulkit. 19, which of the following is a sweetwater lake? तो Vular Sea. 20, which of the following animals belong to the frigid zone? To reindeer. C. 21, which of the following animals belong to the hot regions? To A, Gudkhar. 22, which of the following is a domestic animal? To D, camel. 23, of which country is the yak a district animal? To B, Bhutan. 24, in which country is Khyber Pass situated? To A, Pakistan. 25, which country is known as the Pearl of the East? To C, Sri Lanka. 26 number, from which neighboring country does India import mineral oil? To C, Myanmar. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. First, Africa continent is situated to the southwest of Asia. Second, Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak of the world. Third, Tibet Plateau is known as the roof of the world. Fourth, maximum rainfall occurs in Myanmar and Cherrapunji of India in Asia. Fifth, maximum temperature is seen in Jacobabad, city of Pakistan of Asia in summer. Sixth, one cannot drown in the Dead Sea. 7 number, half of the world's total population lives in the Asian continent. 8 number, the people belong to seasonal region of the Asian continent eat wheat and milk as their staple food. 9, the capital city of Pakistan is Islamabad. 10, the most important crop of Pakistan is cotton. 11, cultural revolution has taken place in Pakistan due to water of river Sindhu. 12, Dhaka is the capital city of Bangladesh. 13, Dhaka is famous for jute industries. 14, Kathmandu is the capital city of Nepal. 15, 40% of area of Nepal is covered with forest. 16, only 60% of land of Nepal is cultivable. 17, Bhutan was called the land of thunder dragon by the British. 18, people of Bhutan mainly follow Buddhism. 19, the Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar lie between India and Sri Lanka. 20 number, the name of the largest river of Sri Lanka is Mahaveli. 21, the capital city of Myanmar is Burma. Match the pairs correctly. Pakistan तो इस्लामाबाद. सेकंड, श्रीलंका तो कोलंबो. थर्ड, भूटान तो थिम्पू. फोर्थ, बांग्लादेश तो ढाका. राइट रॉन्ग. फर्स्ट, द कंटिनेंट ऑफ एशिया लाइज इन द साउथर्न हेमिस्फेयर तो रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. सेकंड, द टेम्परेचर इज हाई इन समर in Central Asia तो right state. Third, the winds blowing over Arabian Sea brings rain in water तो wrong statement. Third, the winds blowing over Arabian Sea brings rain in water तो wrong statement. Fourth, Cherrapunji is located in Assam state of India तो wrong statement. Fifth, the Japanese lives in tent made of leather तो wrong statement. Sixth, The camel is used for transportation in mountainous regions. The wrong statement. 7. The Arabs wear woolen clothes in summer. The wrong statement. 8. There is very dense population in Bangladesh. The right statement. Identify me. First, I live in the forest of Africa and Gir. Lion. I am a tree of the coastal region. Coconut tree. I am an animal useful for agriculture. Ox. I am the main tree of the equatorial region. Mahogany. Fifth, I am the country in central Himalaya. Nepal. 6. I am the large cold desert of Asia. To Gobi. 7. I am known as Ratnadip. To Sri Lanka. 8. I am the main river of Pakistan. To Indus River. Complete the following table with the help of the map. ओके, देख लो इसको शांति से. प्लेस ऑफ रीजन है यहाँ पर, बीच में रिवर्स है, और विच ओशन डज इट फ्लो इनटू. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर. विच कंटिनेंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड हैव ओनली ए सी बाउंड्री. तो अफ्रीका, साउथ अफ्रीका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया हैज़ ओनली अ सी बाउंड्री. सेकंड नंबर, इन विच डायरेक्शन ऑफ एशिया डू दिस कंटिनेंट्स लाइज. यूरोप तो टू द नॉर्थ वेस्ट, अफ्रीका तो टू द साउथ वेस्ट, ऑस्ट्रेलिया टू द साउथ ईस्ट. नेम दी 3 वंडर ऑफ एशिया. ताजमहल, ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना, बुर्ज खलीफा. इसके अंदर डेजर्ट, प्लेन और हाईलैंड्स के बारे में. सहारा तो प्लेन ऑफ साइबेरिया, इथोपिया, कालहरी. ओके, ये ध्यान से देख लेना और वो फिल कर देना इस टाइप से. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. विच ओशन लाई टू द ईस्ट एंड द नॉर्थ ईस्ट साउथ डायरेक्शन ऑफ एशिया. तो आर्कटिक ओशन लाइज टू इट्स नॉर्थ, Indian Ocean lies to its south, and Pacific Ocean lies to the east of Asian continent. Second, why are rivers that meet the Arctic Ocean not useful as waterways? Explain. So the rivers like Ob, Yenisei and Lena which meet the Arctic Ocean remain frozen for most part of the year, so they are not useful as waterways. Third number. Which is the tallest mountain peak of the world? What is its height? So Mount Everest peak is the tallest mountain, 8,848.86 meter. Which mountain range does Mount Everest belong to? So Mount Everest belongs to Himalaya mountain range. Fifth, why can't one drown in the Dead Sea? So Dead Sea is the saltiest lake of the world. The salinity of its water is 8 times the average salinity of seawater. Therefore, its water is very heavy. Its density is more than the density of a human body. Materials with less density than water do not sink in it but float upon it. 6. Which places in Asia get the highest and the lowest rainfall? So Mosinoram and Cherrapunji of India in this region receive the highest rainfall. Some places in the desert of West, Middle and Central Asia receive lowest rainfall. 7. Which places in Asia experience the most heat and the most cold? So there is maximum heat in Jacobabad city of Pakistan, and Verkhones city is the coldest city of the world. 8. Name the main rivers of Asia. Ob, Yenisei and Lena, Omo, Rawang, Ho, Yangtze, Keng and Mekong, Irrawaddy, Salween, Ganga, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, Sindhu, etc. 9. Name the saltwater lakes of Asia. So Caspian Sea, Aral Sea, Dead Sea and Sambar, Chilka, Pulicat and Vemban lakes of India are the main saltwater lakes of Asia. 10 number. Name the sweetwater lakes of Asia. So Baikal and Agra of Russia, Balkhas of Kazakhstan, Tongtinghu of China, Tonsip of Cambodia and Wulardal and Thabur of India. Name the animals living in the cold areas of Asia. So reindeer and dogs are animals that are found and can be tamed in very cold regions of Siberia. Moreover, polar bears, wolves, muskrat, stable, raccoon, beaver and caribou are main and wild animals. 12. Name the animals living in the desert area of Asia. Camel, camel with 2 humps, wild ass, etc. 13 number. Name the main domestic animals of Asia. The camel, horse, donkey and mules are the mainly domestic animal of Asia. Cows, oxen, buffalo, etc. 14 number. Which aquatic creatures are found in Asia? So in the cold sea region, different type of fish, seals, walrus and whales are seen. 15 number. State the staple diet of the people of West Asia. The staple food of people of the coastal area of this region is rice and fish. 16 नंबर what is the staple diet of the people of East and South Asia? तो the staple food of East and Southeast Asian countries India and Sri Lanka is rice. 17 number, name the neighboring countries of India. Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar are the neighboring countries on the land border of India, while Sri Lanka and Maldives are other neighboring countries situated in the Indian subcontinent. 8. Why did the British call Bhutan as the land of the thunder dragon? So the British call it the land of the thunder dragon. Progress hampered by surrounding hills and mountains. However, Bhutan is developing with India's help. ओके, इसी के साथ ही हमारा चैप्टर 14 सेमेस्टर 2 मतलब पूरी की पूरी बुक यहाँ पर हम स्टैंडर्ड 8 की कंप्लीट कर देते हैं। स्टैंडर्ड 9 के सोशल साइंस के जो भी वीडियो है वो भी हम चालू करने चाह रहे हैं जट, तो कृपया हमारी चैनल के साथ बने रहिए। ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय चैनल, बाय।